So what you want to do is, you see back here I have this pot of boiling water, and I'm taking my peaches. These happen to be bruised, so I want to get them taken care of as soon as possible before the fruit flies come in. It was very nice that we had some friends they're an elderly couple, and they're basically like, if you can harvest them, you can have them. So I have one of these. You can also take a normal pot, 2 pots. You take that pot of boiling water, you pour the boiling water over the peaches, then you strain it off. I just do it like this. Just boom, drop it right in there. There's a turner thing. So I should have had more water in there, but I don't. So I can just turn these peaches over. I called my mom and she didn't really tell me, how long you need to do it. So I'm gonna do it for a minute and see how it goes. You can see this one actually already. It was down at the bottom, and as I'm doing this, it's actually starting to peel right off. So that probably means that those are good enough, ready to go. And we'll just shake that out, walk it right over here. Now, one of the things you want to remember is that these have just come out of boiling water. So they're going to be hot. So be careful, work fast. But you see how fast it just comes off so nice. And I used to peel peaches with a knife, and you'd have to sit there and you lose, peeling is like you lose that much. And my mom told me about this. So as an example, look how nicely this just comes. Just so nice, right off of that peach. And it was not even in the boiling water for longer than probably 30 seconds, if that. And then you can see this one's got a little bit of a bruise on it. So all I need to do is, I typically do a V cut. And then just split it apart. Throw that pit away. And now I have this lovely peach that my wife is going to make into cobbler later. And I'm going to eat it, and it's going to be delicious unto my taste.